Oh, there he is. Fish on. Trout. There we go. Come over here and take a quick picture. I'm sure he won't be the only one, but you never know. Oh, really? Okay, I'll come over there in a second. I might put a paddle tail on there for you. All right. Procure to your right on one of the little pockets to your back right over here. Yep. So you can put that on whichever paddle tail you'd like. Did you have any more? You did have a hit a second ago, right? Yeah. See if we can get you one with a paddle tail. If not, oh, there he goes. He's on again. Is that the same hat Jack was wearing? throw through your, oh, right there he is. There he is. Nope. There he is. Oh, that's the keeper too. 15 to keep. 15 to 19 is their slot. The bobber's still down low. There you go. Yep, little trout. I'm coming over here. I got him. Just leave them in the water. Put them in the water. Yep. And then, oh, we got bonus. Open your bail now for me. All right. Yep. So what we'll do.
Wow. Little guy. What? Thanks. Oh, wow.
So,
Oh my goodness.
you don't want minimal touching of him, so you just grab that. And then you usually just do something like that. You can put the rod back in the, yeah, I'll fix it. That you might tighten the drag a little bit. It's taking you. He's got a red. That sounds like a red. Sounds like one. Yep. Where's he at? Oh, okay, okay. Yep, I saw. I thought he was still moving that. Oh, I see him right here. That's a red. That's a red. That didn't take long. Yeah, absolutely. Just based on that drag, I can tell he's 20 something. He's in his 20s like you. Don't forget you got your net in front of you, or I can come net him for you, but you got your net right in front of you. Seems like you're doing a good job. Oh, he's right there. He's beauty. Oh yeah. He don't suck. Keep fighting him. He's ready, he's ready. I don't think he's ready for me yet. What procured you have on that? The mullet? Yep. Yep. Just to take a seat probably be the easiest, brother. You know? Yep. There you go. Take a seat. Now you're in control. Right out of there. Right out of there. Ring him. Oh, you got him? Oh. One of us is gonna get him. Bam! There it is. Nice job. Hell yeah. Woo! That's a real fish. Oh man. With your paddle tail too, buddy. Good job. That's a great job. Here, let's take this guy out. Reverse this is usually the best way. And then let's get this over here so it's out of your way. There you go. You got what I said, upper slot. Look at that. Right almost at 26 point something. 26 and a quarter. Hell yeah, good job, man. On the paddle tail. Great job. I'm gonna move her over here a little bit. Got it.
Does the spot ever mean anything?
No, not necessarily either. Keep turning left and come all the way around. Yep. He ain't going nowhere. And if he does, it's okay. But let's come this way so we don't. There you go. Keep coming towards me now. And yep. That's good. You can just drift now. Crash into the front. Yep, there you go. Perfect. Bring him over here. Yeah, there he is. Little trouty. Hi, buddy. It's okay. You're all right. You're all right. Got it.